1 minute you're laying there quietly, and the next minute there's an outburst of bark. What is your malfunction? Really? Okay. What is it? You're trying to bark. You want to bark, don't you? You really want to bark. But there's nothing to bark at, really. I don't know what you think you heard, but there was nothing. It really wasn't anything. But you think you heard something, don't you? And you're irritated because I didn't hear it. Now you're going to get all noisy. Did you hear something again? Good girl. Maybe you're hearing the snoring in the background? That's not what it is, huh? What do you think is going on, huh? There's no one here. There's no knocks on the door. There was no outburst of anything. Everybody's safe. But thank you for trying to look out for us. Are you mad? I think you are. That's okay. That's okay. Did you hear something that I didn't? Is that what it is? And you're trying to say that my hearing is inadequate as opposed to yours? Well, you would be right. But as you see, there's no imminent danger, so you can just relax. Good girl. But thank you for keeping guard. 1 minute you're laying there quietly, and the next minute there's an outburst of bark.